This was a very enjoyable session, at least for me. I felt that I did not doze off a wink, and my mind was connected right through both the days as compared to other workshops that were attended. There was never a dull moment. My mind did not wander a bit, and I was alert throughout the session. And I'm sure each one of you here also felt the same. The interactive session was very lively and alive, and Sir has shown us how we can see things with a new insight. Different aspects are there that are all pointed out, and Sir very generously has given us all the points, and we had no need to take down anything. Points are all given for us to refresh ourselves every time. So I do hope Sir comes here, I think every year, or maybe every 6 months if possible, because as I always tell my teachers, just as you have a bath every day, you need to clean yourself to come fresh to school the next day. The same way I tell my teachers every morning, for at least 2 minutes, give your children a talk on moral values, which is very, very important. And we must not forget ourselves. So talks like these, sessions like these, workshops like these will certainly help us to refresh ourselves and remind us of our duty, of our important role that we have to play here with our students. Of course, many teachers put forward their problems, they had different opinions, and many of us said the system is like this. But I would like to say, the solutions can always be found. You have to innovate, you have to find out a way. If one path is closed, definitely other ways will definitely open. It's easy to blame the system, but the question is, how much can we improvise? We are all, as we said earlier, concerned about test and test and test. As Sir pointed out, how much has the student learned? Do we really think about that? We are all chasing the syllabus, trying to finish it on time, and finally, as we pointed out, suppose there's a surprise test, what happens? I would definitely say, surprise test should be given, of course. Don't bother with the parents, give the surprise test. But when should you give the surprise test? Give it on the same day. Teach in the first period, and second period you give the surprise test. Then you will know who gets the surprise. Definitely you will be surprised, I think, more than the students. So after you do the surprise test, that's first. Do the surprise test. Second, what are you going to do about the results now? You will definitely have to improvise and change our teaching techniques. We have realized the drawbacks now with this 2-day session. Even I, as a teacher, I look at myself first as a teacher, and I realize there are so many things that I don't do. How am I going to improvise? These points here that we have learned through the session is definitely going to help each and every one of us to improve ourselves. We may be a 10% improvement, a 20%, but definitely a change will come, I'm sure, with this workshop. So my dear teachers, there's a very important realization that Sir has been pointing out from yesterday and today. And it's a very important realization. God created the whole universe, He created us, He has such great power in our hands, and He has made us in His own image. In other words, we the teachers have received this great blessing, this great power from God to create, and we don't realize that we have the power to create, to make or break. Make or break the teaching process, teaching learning process, and also to make or break the child. So you have such a great power in your hands, a gift. So make use of it in a positive manner. Our students here, they are all here waiting, listening to the words of the teacher. So the way we talk, the way we approach the children makes a great difference in our lives. So I'm sure whatever is said here today, everybody will take it positively, and as Sir said, with the TQP being, I think we are going to have it in all schools. To improve ourselves, we should not take it as a criticism. We should take it positively and try to improve. So I would be very happy if all teachers voluntarily say, yes ma'am, give me a TQP, I want to improve myself. I think starting with me, I will certainly do it for me in my class, so as to improve. We all need to improve. If we don't have what we say we are the best, then finally that's the end, I feel. We always have to learn, we have to change, and that is very, very important. And as I said, it was this profession, and Sir has pointed out, it was not forced on you. You were all aware of the drawbacks when you entered the profession. You know the situation and what people feel about teachers and about the teaching profession. So before you joined, you knew it, but still you took up the role. And you should realize that this is a mission that you have taken up. It is not just an ordinary job, it is not just an ordinary occupation. You are a very important person, and you are the shaper of the destinies of the nation. A very important role that you play in the life of each and every child. So here we have to really thank Colonel Sinha for coming here and reminding us of this wonderful power, this wonderful gift that God has given us to this special group of people we call the teachers. So teachers, my dear teachers, remember this. Other things come later, but most important, we are here with a mission, and we must do work in the most faithful manner that we can. All other benefits will come later, and most important of all, as many people say, blessings from the parents, blessings later on from the children will definitely come to us for whatever we have done and contributed in this world. So I'm sure, teachers, you will take this session in a very good spirit. You will take the things positively and make a difference, not only in our lives of children and also the lives of people that you meet, and starting from, I think, today, and also when you go to your school tomorrow. I'm sure that we will have a better TQPO response when the principals give it. I think we'll have at least 1 week before we give the TQP. So I'm sure that there will definitely be a change in the children's perception. It may be 1 day, maybe 1 week, it may take 2 weeks for us to give, but please try to make a change. Definitely it is for the benefit of all. Thank you, sir. And I also thank Mr. Rakesh Sharma also, the principal of Indian School Sur, for hosting this workshop in the school. We thank the SMC of Indian School Sur as well as the BOD for giving us this wonderful opportunity. Thank you, sir.